We are in Castropignano.
In Italy.
In Italy.
We're in Italy. Can you tell everybody what we're making today?
Frittata con asparagi.
Oh, it's frittata. Finally frittata.
So you put some oil.
So what's the ingredients?
Asparagi.
Onions, egg. Got an egg right here.
Okay.
And olive oil. Okay, so what heat do you put it on? Medium or medium high?
Yeah, something like that.
Medium.
So I cut the onion. You cut a small piece.
You cut the onions in small pieces. Chopped onions.
That's it. Small piece.
When you did it that day with just onions, did you chop them up this small too?
Yeah, the same thing.
Oh, okay. So let's see how long this is going to take us. 8:30. How many eggs are you going to use?
Maybe I'm gonna make 4. Excuse me.
Why not? Always check on your asparagus.
Depend on how many people.
People you are. Yeah.
And the pot.
Yeah. So we're 1, 2, 3 people.
Well, that's only one I have. I don't have the other small one. That's why I'm gonna do it.
Turning it, Ma, you're turning it down or up? Down. She's putting it low.
That's not those ones.
Gonna burn.
Okay.
Okay. Oh, she's putting 5 eggs.
Yeah.
Good. I'm hungry.
Okay, put a little bit of salt. You could put a little bit of salt. Depends the way you like it. You could put pepper.
Yeah, well, but you like it like this.
Yeah. You put a little bit of cheese too. Just a little bit. Oh, see?
Oh, she does just put a little bit.
Yeah. Okay, now you put it there.
Oh, now you put the onions.
She doesn't fry, see?
Oh, now she's turning up the heat. So
Because
the
that's-
onions can fry.
Because doesn't fry. That's it. That's
And
it.
that's it? Mm-hmm. Oh, it's easy. You don't need a lot.
You beat the
You just need like scrambled eggs. You don't put milk in it?
no.
So just cheese and eggs. And salt. And this mixture. How do you know when the onions are cooked?
First, I show you. It's a little bit.
Translucent, like
Yeah,
you can see through it?
change the color.
Change the colors. It needs to be translucent.
The onion, see it burn.
Oh, yeah.
See, it's done.
Oh, that's how you know when it's done, when you can see get a little golden in there.
This one's done.
So that's done. The onions are done.
Okay, now. you put it-
There's 4 minutes it took. Okay, now we're gonna add the egg. So get everything in the center.
Mix it because you know.
So you add at 8:36. Pepe.
You should put a little bit high.
Ma, you put a little bit higher?
Yeah, push it.
Why do you do that? So it doesn't stick?
Because it doesn't stick all the stuff. See the liquid?
Oh,
It's gonna go on the bottom.
okay.
Because I have to turn it.
Oh yeah, so you have to make sure it doesn't...
Stick.
So you have to continue to do this.
No, you can go like this. See, this one is gonna go on the bottom.
Ma, you're gonna use a plate to flip it over, right? Because we don't know how to flip it.
Yeah.
Do it with the plate. Okay. How do you know when to turn it?
Because check, you can see it's still white.
Okay. You want it to be a little bit golden on the bottom?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
See, that's the only thing I don't have is a big plate. Have to watch. It's done. I don't have.
You want to make sure you get a same plate at the size as that.
Yeah, I know, my does do like
That's
this.
how you do it. Oh. Wow.
See, like that.
Wow. Oh, nice. Look at the color too. What time it is? So 30 now. We put on 3 minutes. 3 minutes. Look at the color. It has to be this color. Just look at it. Yummy.
Yeah.
It's done?
Yeah.
Oh, she just shut off the stove.
We're gonna do like this again.
Wow, look at it. Look at it. Let's see what time it is. 40. Oh, that just took like a minute.
Yeah. It can be a little bit brown too, but it's okay. Sometimes I'm gonna
Soak up the oil.
Yeah, I like that. Sometimes I put on the butter too, but it's okay. Ecco la frittata.
Let's see. Can you hold it up for me, Ma? Let's see. Here we go.
Ecco.
Here's a frittata with asparagus, wild asparagus
onion.
and onion. Okay.
Ecco.
What's this?
A frittata. How do you eat your frittata? Oh, look, we got fresh figs too from our tree. Let's go, dig in.
Vino, no vino stasera.
Yeah, go get wine. Okay, you know what? I'm gonna have mine. I like to eat mine with like a sandwich. Over here.
That's what we got here. Tentilla.
Oh, is that the
It's
region?
a product of Molise.
Molise. Molise. And Castropignano's in Molise.
Castropignano is in Italy and yeah, Molise.
Okay, okay. So this is the way I like to eat my frittata. Oh, she cut them in slices. Let me add 2 of these. Look. Nice sandwich. Yummy. How's the frittata?
So we do quello io sì,
They made one yesterday.